Hello everyone, I'm Alfred. Today we have a BMW with a 37740 LE. This is a hybrid, plug-in hybrid e-drive with the BMW. This car with the charging problem. So now we diagnose. We see how X431 can help this car. Okay, so BMW, if you want to ignition on, press the on-off button for 3 times. Without a press button, there will be ignition on. Okay, so turn on. In here, we will go through one time full diagnose to check all the trouble code first. So in here, this is the topology for the diagnosis. You see this BMW. If you don't like the topology, you can go through with the system list. Okay, so now we are checking one by one. Just wait for until the 100% in here. Now we have a diagnosis, but no sign of the like the troubleshooting. So there is a battery pack in here. You click on the battery pack and you choose the BMW. Alright, here we can go inside the OBD diagnosis. So in here we can find out what is the problem, like this. Okay, so now come out all the detail in here, so you can using this. So if with the graph, you can see from the cell number 1, maybe this first group is good, all is good, but the second group is wow, this is a problem in here. So the third group, it come in here. How can we adjust this? This first, maybe the car have previously have replaced the second module, and the second module now they replace the battery without coolizer. So you can check with the temperature. So the temperature sensor is out of the data, is lost communication. So that's why this car cannot be charging because of this. This is the finalized. Second group is the problem. Even the cell, so even the temperature is out. Okay, so very fast with the battery pack diagnosis, you can find out what's the problem with this car. And one more, and this is what we see here. We can make a report. So this report, actually you can, yes, now is the report too long, right? You can using QR codes for sharing. So the QR code, and then you open the link. So this is the data. Cool, right? So even this data, you want to send to anyone else, you can using here as a sharing. Share to WhatsApp, WeChat, whatever you want. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. So see you live.